Wealthy Tread, is that you? Hi, didn't see you guys there. Today's video, we are going to do a high protein vegan smoothie. That's right, for all my vegan peeps out there, because I do know there are some of you who watch this who are vegan or who dabble in veganism. Before we go any further, pause, let's take a second so that I can introduce myself if you just stumbled on this channel. My name's Yoana, you can call me Yo. I make videos on fitness, nutrition, supplements, and every now and then I like to throw in fun vlogs because you gotta spice up life, you know what I mean? Alright, first of all guys, can I apologize to you for my upload schedule because it has been a mess. I realize my uploads have been all over the place. Let's clarify it right now. Let me tell you what my upload schedule is so you guys know. Tuesdays and Thursdays, you will always find videos from now on. Those videos will be fitness, nutrition, supplements, you know, tips, motivation tips, whatever. I said tips twice, didn't I? Okay, that's okay. And then Sundays, every now and then, I will throw up a video as well. And Sundays videos are gonna be a little bit different because they're going to be like a vlog, like maybe follow me for a day or follow me for a week, or it might be, you know, a rant of how my week's been, or it might be I want to start doing guided meditation because I think meditation is an amazing tool, and sadly I don't see it talked a lot about. I love meditation and I think it's such an important key to life, so I do want to start adding some guided meditation videos to my channel so that if you're new to that world and it's intimidating, then your girl's gonna walk you through it. But Tuesdays and Thursdays, always, there will be videos. All right, back to the vegan smoothie. Okay, couple quick things to know. When you're a vegan, protein, still very, very important. And it is gonna be harder to find, especially if you're eating junk vegan food, it's gonna be harder to find. So protein is just as important if you're a vegan or a non-vegan. B vitamins, just as important, very, very important, and I don't think enough vegans take B vitamins. That's a whole thing. If you want to know about B vitamins, click my video up here. B vitamins, everything you need to know because they're so important. All right, so today I have a high protein vegan smoothie for you. You can actually use this smoothie as a meal replacement. It has high carbs, it has high fats, and it has high protein, lots and lots of protein in it. And if you don't want it to be vegan, super simple, switch out the vegan protein powder for just your whey protein powder. Bada bing, bada boom, you got yourself a high protein meal replacement smoothie. Or if you're bulking, you know, trying to put on that muscle, then a high protein snack. So let's move this video onto my ghetto kitchen. I apologize, I'm not a big YouTuber, I don't have a fancy kitchen for you, but I got a high protein smoothie for you. So yeah, let's do this. As always guys, everything you need is going to be in the description box with measurements, okay? So let's get started. You're going to need frozen blueberries, you're going to need maple syrup, hemp seeds, chia seeds, this is ground cinnamon, avocado. Fortunately, my avocado is not ripe. So sad, so sad. Fail. So I'm not going to be using avocado. However, I highly recommend you do add avocado to this. If you have it, you just need 2 tablespoons because it will make the smoothie a lot more richer in fats and a lot more like that milky texture that you want. It will add that. We are using vegan protein powder. You can use any type of vegan protein powder you want. I am using vanilla because it's going to give it that nice flavor. This is the Vega Protein and Greens. You can use any kind of vegan protein powder. I recommend vanilla. We are using coconut oil, and then I am using cashew milk. Now the recipe actually calls for almond milk. I'm using cashew milk just because it gives it a nice milkier taste. If you guys have not had cashew milk, oh my god, you are missing out. It is phenomenal. I use this in my coffee instead of almond milk. Whew, so good. And then I'm using 1 frozen banana. I like to chop up my bananas and then I like to freeze them. So let's get this party going. Did I mention you're obviously gonna need a blender because you gotta blend that shit up, right? So we're gonna get started. 1 cup of cashew milk.
without half time alone.
Yum. Delicious. So, so good. So there you have it, guys. There is a high protein vegan smoothie. And I have all the macronutrients for you. So I'm going to tell you all the nutrients. So in this smoothie, you have 431 calories. From those calories, you have 45 grams of carbs, 17 grams of fat, and 29 grams of protein. That's a whole lot of protein. Yeah, that's good for you. That's awesome. Now with this one, like I mentioned, I didn't put the avocado because my avocado wasn't ripe. I highly recommend you add the avocado because it gives you a nice boost to those fats. And you guys, fats are important. We need fats in our diet. We get our energy from fats and carbs. So good. It's actually really, really good. You can have this before the gym as a snack. I actually like to have this when I do this smoothie. I usually do it as a full meal replacement because it's really high in calories and it is super filling because of the protein powder and the hemp seeds. It is and the banana. The banana makes it super, super filling. I can't have dairy like at all. I can't even have whey because I am dairy sensitive, and I'm going to make a whole video on dairy because dairy is not as good for you as you think it is. Yeah, I know a lot of people are gonna hate me when I make that video, but I gotta tell you the truth. So anyways, that's another day. That's another topic for another day. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy this smoothie. If you make it, you can feel free to tag me on Instagram, and that is going to bring us to the end of this video. So if you watch this whole thing, hopefully you liked it. I'm doing something right. So why don't you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that bell so you know when my videos come out. And Wealthy Tribe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.